Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be doing a review of the Starbucks Madeline Cakes. So, this is pretty cool. They're little pieces of cake in this shape. I'm pretty sure that they're all supposed to be in this shape. I've never had anything aside from these ones. The ingredients are pretty simple. Sugar, enriched flour, butter, liquid eggs, natural flavors, liquid egg whites, baking powder. Contains milk, eggs, wheat, barley. May contain almonds and soy. So in 3 of these cakes, there's 220 calories, 11 grams of fat, 26 grams of carbohydrate, with 17 of this being sugar, and 3 grams of protein. And there's not much else into these. They're just little pieces of cake. And that's all they need to be. They don't need to be anything more than that. So, oh, they smell really nice. Weird little bump there. Yeah, that's what they look like. Now there are chocolate dip ones. This is the original. It's like a nice light vanilla cake. Goes very well with coffee. Or tea. Yeah, it was really nice. Very soft. Flavorful. Sugary. And tastes like cake. It's pretty good. I'll have one more bite, then I'll give my final review. Yeah, those are pretty good. It just tastes like a plain old vanilla cake or unflavored cake. I'm not too sure. They don't have a strong flavor to them, but that's okay, because you're going to be probably having these with coffee or something else. And I think that for its intended purpose works perfectly. So I'll give the Madeline Cakes from Starbucks a 7.5 to an 8 out of 10. They're pretty decent, kind of bland though. It's just cake. There's no chocolate on it, and there is chocolate covered ones, so those ones are a little bit better, but overall, not too bad. Goes good with coffee. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.